Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Gemini inside the Google app, or at least limit how much it interacts with you. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google app on your phone. Once it's opened, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, scroll until you find Gemini. Tap to open it. This is where you'll find all the controls related to Gemini, including how it connects with Google Assistant. Scroll down and tap Digital Assistant from Google. Here, you can switch back to the classic Google Assistant instead of using Gemini. Just hit Switch to confirm. This is the main way to stop Gemini from launching when you use voice commands. Now, go back to the Gemini settings and find Google Assistant features in Gemini. Tap it and turn the toggle off. This disconnects Gemini from using your Google Assistant features or responding to your voice. Next, go to the option that says Use Gemini without unlocking. Turn this off. That way, Gemini won't pop up when your phone is locked. This helps keep it from activating accidentally when your phone's in your pocket or charging. You can also turn off Interrupt Live Responses if you prefer less back and forth from Gemini. And if you don't want Gemini or Google popping up when you say, "Hey Google," scroll down to Voice Match and turn that off too. This will prevent Gemini from activating when you trigger it by voice. And that's it. You've now limited or effectively turned off Gemini inside the Google app. It won't pop up or respond unless you switch it back on manually. If this video helped you, go ahead and like it. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Android how-to tutorials.